This is the outcome. They were arrested when they moved to Lusaka with their border. And these are the Silahs which were gotten from them. We have come this law and the people of Kisumu. And so even when we are living outside here, maybe the enemy is not yet fully defeated. We must continue being vigilant because they came in border borders. Fortunately, one of them was lost in the border because it has been found outside here. And the people will with us here. But this is evidence of the robberies in Kisumu. So please, if you are part of the team that was sending messages outside, that has resulted in this, woe unto you.
Biuru pikibi. Bwana Biuru. Wadi